Jo here from Time for Tea Designs. Today I'm going to be starting the countdown to the Time for Tea Designs new release for January. Over the next few days I will be showing you the new products in this month's release. All of the products in today's video will be available at Time for Tea Designs and Simon Says Stamp from 9 AM on the 21st of January, British summertime. Our Enjoy the Little Things stamp and die set has 5 cute characters, all carrying their favourite treats. These happy critters can be paired with a variety of fun sentiments that are great for all kinds of occasions. Create some fun scenes encouraging a friend to treat themselves to their favourite treat. Our Sweet Village stamp and die set can be used for a variety of fun scenes. You can dress up your buildings with the selection of signs and accessory stamps that are included to make a collection of adorable shops or cafes, or you can leave them as they are to make a fun and colourful village scene. Our cute little dog and cat make the perfect residence on any street that you create. The stitched slimline slopes die is going to be the perfect accompaniment to your scene building stamps. Use the die in portrait or landscape for different effects, whether your slopey cuts are snow or grass or waves or even roads. You are sure to have lots of fun with this must-have die. The sky really is the limit with our next slimline die. Cut your cardstock to create a beautiful paper pieced or ink blended background that will complement your other Time for Tea products perfectly. Team the joyful rainbow and cloud backdrop with a bold sentiment to really brighten someone's day, or pair with your Time for Tea characters for endless fun and possibilities. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again tomorrow for some more exciting countdown reveals.